Hello! I'm really excited. I'm going to Disney World today. Good for you. Anyways, I have no idea where Disney World is. Can you help me? Here's a map. Map? What's a map? What are all these symbols? What does this mean? Watch Mrs. Fennell's videos for more information on maps. Got it. Thanks. You're welcome. Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to be doing an introduction on maps. It's a very simple, easy lesson. We're going to dive further into maps next week when we come back to school. Let's get started. Maps take us places. We use maps in all sorts of different areas in our life. For example, if you're at Disney World or any other theme park, you use a map to guide you to the shows, the rides, or where to eat food. If you've ever been to Pemberton Park, there are maps that are actually displayed everywhere, and it tells you what trail you're on, where to go, how to get back to your car. Use maps on road trips. I'm sure you guys have seen mom or dad use apps on your phone, a GPS on your phone, and that is also a map that tells them where to go. So maps are really important to learn about because you are going to see maps for the rest of your life in so many different situations. Going somewhere? Grab a map. A map shows us where to find places and things. You can use a map to help you get somewhere. When I was a kid, I used to go on road trips, and my mom, always in the front seat, had the map out, and she would tell the driver where to go, what interstate to get on, if they were going north, south, east, west. She used an actual physical map. Now your parents use a map on your phone. A map is a drawing or picture of a place. It shows you what a place looks like from above. What do you see in this map of a home? So in this map, this is actually a map of someone's house, and it shows you where the bedrooms are, where the kitchen is, where the stairs are, where the living room is. Before your parents purchased their home, they probably saw a map of the home like this. A map can show outdoor locations like streets and cities, or indoor locations like houses and buildings. A map can be on paper or on a screen. A map can show us land features like mountains, deserts, plains, lakes, and oceans. A map that shows these features is called a physical map. Can you tell what parts of the map show mountains? What color on the map shows an ocean? Well, let's start with the easy one. Where do you see the ocean? Yeah, everything that's blue. That's easy peasy. Where do you think the mountains are? Yes, right here where you kind of see it kind of gets, it kind of like pops up almost like 3D. Maps can also show us where important places like roads, hospitals, and airports are located. Can you find a road? Yes, this is a road. Can you find the hospital? Oh, right here. I know this is a hospital because this sign right here is a sign that indicates that there's a hospital there. Can you find the airport? That one's pretty easy. Here's the airplane, so I know this must be the airport. Some maps have a key. A key tells what certain symbols or pictures on the map mean. Can you find all the places on a map key? All right, a map key is really important because these little symbols tell you what is represented on the map. So for example, this one right here, if it's just plain green, it's grass. If you see two little round things like that, it means there's trees right here. Blue means water, parking lot. So if you just saw this without looking at the key, you might not know what a dark blue or slate grayish color rectangle was. But if you look at your map key, it tells you that that represents a parking lot. A store looks like this. Again, if you were just looking at it, you might not know what that means. That's why you have to go to your map key. And this is a field right here. These are all symbols that represent something in the map, just like the American symbols represent America. A map key uses colors and pictures to represent different places and things. What do you think these map symbols represent? Some of them are easier than others. What do you think this represents? Yeah, some kind of body of water. What about this? trees, railroad track, mountains. What's this? Gas station. I bet you this means a park because I see a swing. What do you think it means if you see a fork and a knife? Yeah, it's probably a restaurant, somewhere where you can eat, and then somewhere you can stay. That probably means like a hotel or a cabin. Many maps also have a compass rose. A compass rose is a symbol on a map that points to the directions north, south, east, and west. What is west of the lake? So here's, first of all, let's look at the compass rose. North, south, east, west. And by the way, we're going to be doing a whole week on compass rose when we come back. So don't fret about it too much right now. But north, south, east, west. Here's the lake. And they want to know what is west of the lake. So west is that way. What's west of the lake? The bank. Very good. What is north of the lake? So first I need to locate north. It's right here. North. What's north of the lake? The zoo. And then east. Where's east? East is going this way. What's that? Yeah, I think it's a school, or yeah, I think it's a school because there's a little bell on top. Public buildings usually display maps to show people where to find places inside or how to escape in case of an emergency. So maps and buildings are really important because if there's ever a fire, you need to be able to locate the closest exit as quickly as possible. You can make a map of any place. You can make a map of the world or a small playground. You can make a map of your city or just your bedroom. You can do one of your bedroom. Where's your bed? Where's your dresser? Where's your closet? What would you like to make a map of? I know when I was little, I liked to make treasure maps. So I would make a map of my house and then I would mark an X on where the treasure was for my brother to find. All right, boys and girls, today for your independent practice, you're going to record yourself telling me where certain things are. So this one says, where's the post office? That's going to be one of the things that you do. I'm going to pretend that that actually says, where is the school? So I'm going to model to you how I would say, where's the school? So first, let's look over here. Word box. You can use to the right of, to the left of, next to, beside, behind, in front of, across from, between, or you can use your compass rose. So here's the school. Let me look what's next to it. I see a house and I see a library. Here we go. The school is in between the library and the house. The school is south of the fire station. Okay, now again, the compass rose is optional to do. We're going to dive more into the compass rose next week. So just go through each one of those. There's 3 pictures and tell me where it is on the map.